Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Venmo with Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start paying their freelancers or contractors with Venmo. So Upwork makes it super easy, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our Upwork account. And then on the upper right hand side, you want to click on your profile icon and then click on account settings. Next, on this page here, on the left hand side, you want to click on billing and payments. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way down. So once you reach this part where it says manage billing methods, click on add a billing method. And then from here, you're going to see different options as far as adding a billing method goes. So you can add another payment card, you can add PayPal, or you can add Venmo. So we're going to click on Venmo, and then you're going to see this prompt appear where it says you are about to leave Upwork and that you will be redirected to Venmo so that you can connect your Venmo account to Upwork. So once you click on this prompt here for the Venmo button, you are going to need to log into Venmo, and afterwards follow the prompts as far as connecting your Venmo account with Upwork. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Venmo with Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.